Are you struggling to make your e-learning courses interesting and engaging for your learners? Do you want to learn the secrets to creating effective e-learning scripts that keep your audience's attention? Hello and welcome to WizCabin. And in this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks that will help you create a script that engages and informs your learners. Whether you're a seasoned instructional designer or just starting out, the script is the foundation of your e-learning course. The first and most important step is having a clear goal. What do you want your learners to walk away with after taking your course? What skills or knowledge do you want them to acquire? Having a clear goal will help you stay focused and ensure that your course is effective. A good goal for a course is to equip learners with a set of relevant skills and knowledge that will help them achieve specific objectives. This could include acquiring a deeper understanding of a subject, developing practical skills that can be applied in the real world, or building a foundation for future learning. Knowing your audience is key to creating a successful e-learning course. Who are you creating this e-learning course for? You need to understand whom you are creating the course for, their learning styles, their needs and interests, and how they prefer to receive information. To get a deeper understanding of your target audience, you can conduct market research, surveys, or focus groups to gather information on demographics, previous educational experience, current job responsibilities, technology usage, learning preferences, and any other factors relevant to your course. You can also use analytics to track your audience's interaction with your course to identify their pain points and adjust your content accordingly. By knowing your audience, you can tailor the pace, tone, and level of detail in your course to suit their needs. By taking the time to understand your audience, you can create an e-learning course that resonates with them, engages them in the learning process, and provides them with the information they need to achieve their goals. To keep your learners engaged, it's important to use a conversational tone in your script. A formal, academic tone can make your e-learning course feel dry and boring. Using a conversational tone in your e-learning course is a powerful way to connect with your learners and make your content more approachable. Here are a few tips to help you adopt a conversational tone. Write like you speak. Use language that is natural and easy to understand, and avoid using technical jargon or complex vocabulary that might confuse your learners. Personalize your content. Address your learners directly and use you when referring to them. This helps create a sense of connection and makes the material more relatable. Use humor. Humor can be a great way to lighten the mood and make your course more enjoyable. Just make sure to use humor in a way that is appropriate and aligns with your brand and target audience. Encourage interaction. Ask questions, solicit feedback, and create opportunities for learners to participate in discussions or activities. This will help keep them engaged and make the learning experience more interactive. Add anecdotes. Anecdotes and real-life examples can help bring your content to life and make it more memorable. This can also help illustrate key concepts and make the material more relatable. By adopting a conversational tone, you can create an e-learning course that is engaging, approachable, and enjoyable for your learners. A learner's attention span is limited, so it's important to keep your script as concise as possible. Focus on the essential information and cut out anything that's not necessary. Here are a few tips to help you keep your script focused and concise. Outline your content. Before you start writing, create an outline of the key points you want to cover. This will help you stay organized and ensure that your content is focused and relevant. Use short, simple sentences. Avoid using complex sentences or lengthy paragraphs. Instead, use short, simple sentences that are easy to understand and retain. Get to the point, focus on the most important points, and deliver them in a clear, concise manner. Use visuals. Visuals such as images, videos, and infographics can help you communicate complex concepts in a more concise and memorable way. Edit, edit, edit. After you've written your script, take the time to edit and refine it. Cut out anything that's not necessary and make sure that each point is presented in a clear, concise manner. By keeping your script concise, you can ensure that your learners retain the information you present and avoid boredom. To keep learners engaged, practicing active learning in your e-learning course is important. Instead of just having your learners read the script, try to incorporate activities that get them involved. Incorporating active learning strategies in your e-learning course is a great way to increase engagement and improve retention. Here are a few tips to help you practice active learning. Use interactive activities. Incorporate interactive activities into your course such as quizzes, simulations, and case studies. Encourage participation. Provide opportunities for learners to participate in discussions, share their opinions, and ask questions. Provide immediate feedback. Incorporate immediate feedback into interactive activities so that learners can see how well they're doing and identify areas for improvement. Make it gamified. Gamification can make learning fun and engage. Incorporate elements of game design, such as points, rewards, and progress tracking, into your course to motivate learners. By incorporating active learning strategies into your e-learning course can help increase learner satisfaction and improve the overall effectiveness of your course. Before launching your e-learning course, getting feedback from a few trusted sources is important. Feedback can also give you insights into what works and what doesn't, which can be useful for future courses. Here are a few tips to help you effectively gather feedback. Get feedback from a variety of sources. Seek feedback from a diverse group of people, including peers, subject matter experts, and potential learners. Provide clear instructions. Providing clear instructions for giving feedback can help ensure that you receive relevant and actionable feedback. Use feedback to make changes. This can help improve the overall quality and effectiveness of your course. By effectively gathering feedback before and after launching your e-learning course, you can make changes that can improve its effectiveness and help ensure the success of your course and improve your overall e-learning strategy. By following these scripting secrets, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful e-learning course that engages and informs your learners. Keep in mind that effective scripting takes time and practice, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it right. That's it for this video on scripting secrets for successful e-learning. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Happy scripting! If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.